Good day, fellow YouTube viewers. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make yourself God mode. Many of you are probably wondering what God mode is. God mode is just a control panel with many settings, and it's very cool. It helps you can make the best customizations for your computer and change some stuff, and it's very easy to create. Just follow me as I go. What you do is you create first let's start by you just copy this and type it onto Notepad. Just copy it, all of this, just copy it, just copy